something. I guess I won't talk about it, but I will. I'm sorry, Trader Joe's. They threw me out and said, you're not disabled. As soon as I started filming, I started running. This one I was under the whole spiritual warfare act. And then they even gave me my badge. So they got a fat lawsuit. Yo, spiritual warfare is real, man. Don't pay that shit no mind. Collect your evidence, don't go, and just move on. There's always something better. I don't even go in grocery stores anymore. Boom! See, I don't be accepting shit. It's okay for change. Unknown is fabulous. Right, Ruby? I love the unknown. That's why you see me in Turkey walking down an alley. I don't know anybody in Turkey. I don't want to go anywhere where I know anybody. Everybody's always asking me for shit. No. I want to not know you and learn your culture for a minute. And then that's it. Move on. Right? You're a goddamn. Sorry.